In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update BIOS ROG Strix B550-A gaming motherboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the necessary files to update the BIOS and how to perform it on the B550-A motherboard from ROG. Keep in mind that this process will also work with any other model of motherboard that you have. For this, you will need the USB drive. So grab a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space. However, it needs to have enough to hold the files necessary for the update to be performed. I also recommend formatting the USB drive before starting. So if possible, format the USB drive. You can try to perform this without formatting it, but that isn't recommended. To acquire these BIOS files, go to the official ROG ASUS website and look for your particular model of motherboard. In the case of this video, the ROG Strix B550-A Gaming. So when you access its product page, click on Support at the top. You will find a lot of categories. Go to Driver and Tools and then BIOS and Firmware. Under BIOS and Firmware, you will see all of the available versions, and I recommend downloading the latest one. You will usually receive a zip file, so extract it somewhere, and if you have a BIOS renamer, or if they tell you to rename the file, for example here, do it appropriately. Either run the tool or manually rename it. Once you have this file renamed, load it into the USB drive, so extract it inside of the USB drive, and once you have the BIOS file loaded, insert the USB drive on any of the available ports at the back of your motherboard. If you want to use the BIOS flashback button, you have to insert it on this labeled USB port, so make sure that you choose appropriately if you are going to be using this function. For this function, your motherboard needs to be receiving power from your power supply, so plug the appropriate cables. Usually it's the one at the top, the 8-pin, and once it is connected to your power supply, you can insert the USB drive here first and then press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You will see some sort of LED indicator flash to tell you that the update is happening. Once everything stops flashing, usually around 15 minutes, you are good to go. Alternatively, if you plug it into any of the available USB ports and you press delete over and over while your PC is rebooting, you will go into the BIOS to perform the usual method. Inside of the BIOS interface, go into advanced mode by pressing F7, and then go to Tool and ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. In here, you will also find the USB drive that you loaded into your motherboard at the back, and you can choose the BIOS file that you acquired. So select the BIOS file appropriately, and the update will begin. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ROG Strix B550-A Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.